Welcome to our channel, where we explore the art of relaxation through the power of DIY head massage techniques. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of head massage techniques. Whether you're looking to unwind after a long day or simply seeking a moment of tranquility, these simple techniques are sure to soothe your mind and rejuvenate your spirit. Before we begin, gather your favorite massage oils and a comfortable place to sit or lie down. Let's get started. Our first technique is the temple tension release. Using your fingertips, gently press and circle around your temples in a clockwise motion. Feel the tension melt away as you breathe deeply. This technique is perfect for relieving headaches and promoting relaxation. Next up, we have the scalp soother. With your fingertips, massage your scalp in small circular motions, starting from the base of your neck and working your way up to the crown of your head. Not only does this technique stimulate blood flow, but it also helps to release stress and promote hair growth. Lastly, we have the ear euphoria. Gently tug and massage your ears in a downward motion, starting from the top and working your way to the lobes. Pay attention to any areas of tension and breathe into the sensation. This technique is incredibly relaxing and can help alleviate tension throughout the entire body. And there you have it, DIY head massage techniques for relaxation. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, taking care of yourself is essential for overall well-being. Until next time, breathe, relax, and be well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on self-care and relaxation. See you soon.